And now I would like to give the floor to the chair of the delegation for relations not only with Bosnia and Herzegovina, but also with Kosovo, Mr. Picula, who I understand will also speak for the shadow rapporteur, Mr. Panzeri.
Thank you, Chair. On behalf of Mr. Panzeri, I would like, first of all, to congratulate colleague Madam Lunacek for excellent cooperation during the work on this report. However, S&D Group shares, among others, particular concerns expressed in this document. The persistent polarization of the political landscape and the need to work for reaching sustainable compromises aimed at facilitating the progress of the country on its European path. Visa liberalisation is an important step for European integration. However, we are concerned by the stalemate in the Assembly with regard to the ratification of the demarcation agreement with Montenegro. It is clear that visa liberalisation can only be granted once Kosovo has fulfilled all criteria, including the one related to the track record of high-level convictions for corruption and organised crime. Regarding the association of Serbian municipalities, it is crucial that Kosovo establish the association in line with the agreement reached under the EU-facilitated dialogue and with the ruling of the Kosovo Constitutional Court. The continued presence of Serbia's parallel structures are a source of concern. S&D amendments aim at completing the text, notably regarding the fight against corruption and organised crime and the need for more effective coordination between the institutions responsible for detecting, investigating and prosecuting corruption cases, the need for effective community programmes to address the grievances that fuel violent extremism and radicalisation and build relationships that promote tolerance and dialogue. The socio-economic structural reforms in its context, it is important to have more political focus and stronger cooperation between ruling parties for making concrete progress on much-needed reforms. The need to tackle unemployment, especially among young people, on the basis of an assessment of the challenges and focusing on improving education outcomes, including through improved teacher training and supporting school-to-work transitions. Finally, the need to improve the labour market conditions and to strengthen enforcement mechanisms, notably labour inspectorates and courts, in order to make sure that policies and legislation are implemented and that challenges related to informality and discrimination during recruitment and in the workplace are addressed. Thank you.